Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, February 2nd, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We're going to look at the E-mini S&P futures and the cash market. Interesting things happened today. Let's get right into our pre-market open this morning, and I will show you guys first that we said the 4472.72, if it's taken out, wave 4 can no longer be a wave 4. It was broken. I know, excuse me, this may come as a surprise to some of you, but I'm not always going to be right. But fortunately, as soon as I knew I was not right, or the count was not right, or my interpretation of the count was not correct, I got right on it and got a pre-market open report out to our monthly subscribers. So that was a 4 here. Okay, there was a line there, and that broke it. Obviously, all this mess here, up here. Okay, so we have a new wave count here. All right, when you're wrong, find out where you're wrong. The beauty with Elliott Wave, we know exactly where our interpretation of the count is wrong, and then we put out new targets here. I believe this was in the futures, 39.79 and 36.12. I think 39.79 is the operative one. Let's go to, well, let's show this while we're here, okay? Here's what our monthly subscribers get. Bertha here made, well, not everybody's going to do this, but she emailed me and said she made over 7K after going to sleep, down 5K, and she had a lot of faith in me. Dale said we're going to drop to 42.90. I woke up in Cali, happy member, okay? And then she replied back and said, actually she made a lot more, 63,000, starting only with 6,000, long and short, ES, NQ, options and put. She attached a screenshot, it's here, and that's that, okay? So that's what our monthly subscribers are actually, shall I say, giddy. But anyway, we want to show you guys, and I'll have to grab it here. My apologies. Our disclaimer, it's coming up over here. Here we go. Okay, let's knock that down to 100%. There you go, with our awards and all of that. And don't forget the where did it go here? Where is it? My apologies. Our subscription services should be coming up after Bertha's. There we go. Video on demand, the monthly, that's the most popular, and that's what we're sending out. Seems like at least 2, sometimes 3. One day we had 4 reports in a day, okay? But also want to thank you guys for subscribing, hitting the reminder bell so you don't miss any reports, and the like button, which looks similar to that. Okay, along with the analysis. So we're looking at the futures, okay, and again, our monthly subscribers got that in advance. So let's look at the futures, and there's our target was 45.8075. I may have shown you the wrong one earlier, and the actual was 45.86. So it came within, what is that, 3 1/4 points, 4 1/4 points of a direct hit on that target. And then we still have higher resistance above. Let me see if I can get that in on the E-mini futures, okay? Give me a second here. Let's get a retrace on here if we can. We'll get this down here, and that's pretty darn close. Yeah, 46.8075 is the 786 retrace. If I can get a little bit better on there. Anyway, I got a picture on it. So this is 1, and that is 2, right at the 618. We must allow for a move up to the 786. Where is this count wrong? We always ask ourselves, where is it wrong? It's way up here at 48.08. Why is it so far away? Because these are huge moves, okay? Where is 3 equal to 1 and 1.618? It's right around here, and it didn't show up on the chart. I'll just go to the pick on this, guys. Let's go to the E-mini futures here. There we go. There's the all-time high. There's the wave 1 low. There is the second wave, A up, B down, C up. There was our target, 4580.75. There was the actual within 5.25 points. There's that higher resistance. And here's where the third wave, this is huge, and we have our make or break points. We got to allow for a move up here. Anything up here, 4808, and it's wrong. Okay, but 3 equals 1 at 39.91 and a 1.618. That should be a 1.618 at 36.2350. That is the futures, and let's get into the cash. Let's see if I can throw that pre-market open. Let's see if we have that cash over here. Okay, and there is the cash, and there's what we're looking at. The alternate came into play. This was pre-market. I said if that's broken, 45.82, then the alternate comes into play. We were actually expecting it at the open. Did I say that? Yeah. S&P cash wave 4 up is in play, but it may be broken at the open. It was broken, but a little bit later in the day. But we expected it to be broken, and it was. And then we're looking at the Fibonacci at 46.91 and the 618 at 45.91 for this move up in is purple wave 2. As soon as that was broken, then this alternate came into play. Again, we had this out to our subscribers before the market opened today in the pre-market open report. Okay, let's go to the cash. And in the cash, there's where that 45.82 was broken. There's where we were looking for a move to 45.91, and it got to 45.95. Pretty close to a direct hit. There's a 786 up above at 46.92. There is the make or break, the all-time high on 1-4. By the way, that D is there. The triangle is in play, but I'm really liking this 1-2 because it looks like 5 waves down, and the triangle, all the waves up to D are 3. This could be a huge A down, B up, C down, A, B, C. So that would be A, B, C. So the triangle is still in play, but I like analyzing this from that January 4th high. It's the same as the future, so they're in sync. So our target prices should be on here just under 4,000 at 39.99. That might not be exact. I have a picture of that, and I'll get it to you guys in 36.30. Those are huge declines, but this is the third wave if this is right. Again, we've got to allow for a move up to the Fibonacci 786, and there's our make or break at 48.18. So let's look at that pick I have for you guys here on the S&P. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put that 3 and 4 in a couple different places, but there's that 124 low. There's the ABC up. There was our target at 45.91. It hit at 45.95 within 4 ticks of perfection. There is the higher resistance above the 786. It's about 100 points above 46.92, but the move down, 3 gains equality just under 4,000 at 39.98 and a 1.618 at 36.30. So now if we can get to that post-market close, get you guys up to date. Okay, the one I like about this, and let me get this into 100% or 200% so you can see a little better. Okay, hit the OK button, Dale. There we go. So there was our cash target and the actual. But what I like is now if we count everything from the January 4th high, and again, that triangle is still in play, but they're in sync, the futures and the cash, because they both made all-time highs on the 4th. You can see the wave count there. Okay, everything's the same. You've seen that. And then we can get down to our, and that's where we're looking at 45.91. We got 45.95. Again, pre-market open. There's the futures. We're looking at 45.80.75 as you see here and on the chart. And we got a 45.86 right on near that 618. There's that higher level of resistance. And there are the Wave 3 targets in the ES minis, the futures. It's actually, and these are on because I took the time to put these right on the targets, if you will, or on the actual turns of the waves, 1 and 2. 39.91 and a quarter and 36.23.50. Okay, and that's where futures accommodated our forecast again. There's the overhead resistance. So we're back on track. Everything looks pretty darn good. We'll leave you with a picture of, we'll do them both. Okay, we'll leave you with a picture of the hourly. That's where Wave 2 is. That's the resistance. That's the make or break. That's the Wave 3 targets. And not to be forgotten, we will do the E-mini futures. There's one down. There's two up. Right near our targets, within 5 points. There is the resistance overhead, and there are the Wave 3 targets, 39.91, and that's a 1.618, 36.23. We'll see what happens, okay? Got a little bit of room to the upside, a lot more room to the downside if this plays out. Fortunately, we always know where we're wrong. Okay, thank you guys, and until next time, take care, everyone.